Alright, so today we'll be creating an Android app completely using AI, just AI. So we'll start with the Android Studio. We need to download it. So let's visit the official site, and this is directly the button. You can just download it from here. For Windows, it is around 1.5 GB. Okay, so the download is complete and we will just click on open file. Okay, so this is the setup guide. We will just click on continue, make sure this checkbox is there, and just click on next, install. After the installation is complete, we will click on next and we will start the Android Studio. I will click on don't send and we will go to next and we will leave it to the standard and just click on next and accept the agreement and click on finish. So it will again download the required files. I'll just click on finish. Okay, so now the interface has arrived. Now we'll click on new project and we'll start with no activity. So for our application, we will use this name, and package name is basically your domain name written in reverse order. Like if I have google.com, I write it in com.google. So I will leave it as it is. Save location. Okay, I will leave this as it is. I will select Java and I will also leave this minimum SDK as it is, and I will just click on finish. So now it is loading our project. So here, if I click on expand, I can see all the files that I have for my project, and I will just now what I'm going to do is open Cursor AI. So if you don't have this app, just download it from Google. You can just open your browser, whatever browser you use, and just type Cursor AI and hit enter. And this is the official website. You can go to downloads and download it, and you have to first sign up and then download it. So for now, I will just open the file, open the project that we created. So I will click on open folder and I will find the location. It was here and this, select folder. So we now have a folder open in Cursor AI. So if I press Ctrl I can refer to this here at new chat. So we can provide our prompts here, any natural language prompt we want to give. So for that, we will just go to ChatGPT and generate our prompt. So I'll go to ChatGPT and I will enter a prompt. So you can enter in your language. So we need to generate a context file first so that we can provide that file to the Cursor AI and then it can work on the development. So now basically you have two options. Either just open ChatGPT and give a prompt, and but the content you will get, you just copy this and paste into a file and give that file to Cursor AI. Or another thing you can do is just go directly to Cursor AI and there you just press Ctrl I and you go to here and just directly paste the prompt. So I will just, instead of this, I will say I won. Okay, and this will also do the same work, and this will now start reading you all the files that you have in a folder, and based on that it will start generating these files. And all you have to do is it will give accept now option, accept all option here. Let me just show you. Here you can see accept option, just click on it and do this for all the files that is being generated, and it will even automatically fix the errors that you are getting. and that will do the job, and you just have to click the accept button. And after clicking this accept all button, when your cursor AI stops generating, it is still generating, here you can see. And you can just directly go to your Android Studio and click on this play button. So this is another same project that I have made ready in order to just reduce the time. So it is just connecting to the emulator, and it will install the app in the emulator, and we will see it here. So in my case, it says install successfully finished in this much time. And here I can see my app is ready. So this is even showing my name, and I can just click on here. These buttons are working, and I have a share button. If I click on it, it should work. It is taking some time. So here you can see the options for the share. You can whatever apps you have been installing, you can share on them. So if you still see there are some issues with the UI, or you are getting some errors, so you can just copy and paste the error, and you can just head back to the AI, and you can say here just, so if I type just improve the UI, after it is being finished generating, I can just hit enter, and it will just start all the commands that I have, all the prompt that I have given to improve the UI. And this is how you work with the app. So in the Android Studio, I can, there's some issue with my system, it is slow. And so here we can see the app is ready. And one final thing we need to do is first click on this pause button, press the shift key 2 times, and just search here for build APK. And if you want to upload the APK to Google Play Store, then you have to generate a signed app. And if you want to share over WhatsApp or other apps, then you can click here on generate APK. So here we can see it is running the background task to generate our APK. So let's wait. Okay, so it has completed generating. We can click on the locate button. So here is our APK. We can just copy it and share to whatever apps we want, and just install this on our Android phones. And this is the way we create APKs, shareable APKs of whatever interesting app we see. We want to convert our idea into an app, and you will see a warning when you install this app. But we know we have created this app at our own, and we can safely install this app. The warning will be shown because we are not directly installing it from Play Store. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching.